going to show you how to easily remove a front door speaker on a Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. This may be similar to other Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. I'll leave all the tools in the description below, and if this video helps, please subscribe. That way you'll learn some tips and save money on future car repairs because you'll be able to do it yourself for free. Let's start. In order to gain access to the speaker, you have to remove the inner door panel. This is not hard at all. I have some other videos you can check out if you're looking for more repairs inside the door. I'll leave that in the description as well. However, if you would like to see something specifically, then let me know in the comments below. There are 5 push clips. Slowly and lightly push each one in with a hooked or pointed tip. If you push too hard, then you'll have to grab those tips later inside the panel. Grab a pry tool and get behind the clips and then pop them out. Slowly. There we go. Then remove the 4 Phillips screws, most of which are on the bottom. Then use a flat tip or hook pin on this flap door piece behind the door handle. And then there will either be one piece here or piece right here in this case. There we go. Now use a screwdriver or power tool to remove the 2 screws. Firmly grab the door panel and pull straight up to separate the 3 clips that secure this inner door panel to the door shell. Now, if you want to remove the inner door panel completely so you have a little more room to work with, then you can watch my other video of removing the inner door panel completely. I'll leave it in the description below. However, you really don't need to do that. So I'm showing you the easier and faster way. Grab a power drill or a regular Phillips screwdriver and remove all 4 screws. There you go. I was able to do it without removing this, but it is easier to do it if you need to. There's a clip right here, just pull it off, and right here, another clip. There you go. Putting it back in is just as easy. You line it up and put the 2 connectors back on and secure it with the 4 screws. Then test the speaker. If this helped you so far, please like and subscribe and finish watching the next important step, which is correctly putting the door panel back on. See these 3 white clips? Well, one of them may be attached not to this door shell, but the inner panel. See it? Well, to snap it back in place, take off the other clips on the door shell as shown and slide or snap them on the inner panel. This way the door panel will be nice and tight again. Now to get the other 2 off the door shell, take a pry bar and lightly tap it off. Do not use a lot of force. Now in case you loosen the horizontal rod, I'll quickly show you how to reconnect it. That hole right here, the rod will go in here, and then I'll push this on. Make sure everything looks good. This piece, of course, will go through here. Once I put this on, I can just line these 3 clips up and push this down, making it much more simpler. Pop it in. Yep, it's in. Start putting the screws in. Gotta release these clips. So, removing the old speaker, whether it was worn out or blue, is not a difficult task and can be done within 45 minutes. You only need a few tools, which you can look at in the description below. Also, if you have any questions or would like to mention something to the other viewers, then let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please like and subscribe and check out some other helpful videos on this channel. Thank you.